Oga Messi, congratulations on top your first national team trophy.
Now you supposed to congratulate me. Thank you, my boy.
Oga Messi, as you don't win Copa America now, what do you get to tell all your fans and your haters?
To my fans and everybody where they support me, I want to say thank you, especially to Di Maria. Hey, that guy sabi score important goal. If it was him play that 2014 World Cup finals, I swear na we for carry am. Anyhow, thank God, him play this one.
What of your haters?
Now Ronaldo fans they hate on me. Normal people like me well. But as I don't carry this trophy now, I don't show all those Ronaldo fans. Say, me and Ronaldo no be mates. Na me be the undisputed greatest of all goats.
What of Neymar?
Shebi I tell you, say Neymar na my boy. Me and am they even laugh for dressing room sef. You know they even do like person wey lose finals.
But I see they cry after the game.
Cry wetin? Na fake cry him dey cry. Social media cry. Me and the guy don't arrange party this night sef.
Our people, una well done o. The people wey help us bring this video come meet una na 1xBet. Na them also help me with this my new shirt. Them be the best and most reliable betting platform. You fit register for free with our promo code GNEXT and them go increase your first deposit by 200%. Them also get this new offer wey them they call hyper bonus. You fit win better gadget and $30,000 inside them. But make sure say you read all their rules and conditions for every awoof o. And don't forget to bet with sense. Thank you. Hurricane, sorry for your defeat.
Abeg no sorry me, Joe. Ask your question make I comot for here.
Before we start the match, people been dey talk say na una be the favourites to win. But after the first goal wey una score, e come be like say Italy bully una until the match finish.
Respect yourself, Italy no bully us anything. Now Juro dem do us.
Na wetin you mean?
You no see wetin Bonucci and Chiellini dey do us since for this match?
I no see o. Wetin dem do na?
Dem dey play us rough na. Those guys na mafia ruffians. And rep dey see all these things, but him no dey blow. You no see as Chiellini hold Saka? If no be say our jersey original when that guy for don tear Saka shirt into pieces.
But ref blow that one.
Even the PK wey they suppose give us, ref no give us.
But that thing no be PK na.
How you take no? Na you dem foul.
Oh boy, no dey ask me more question, Joe. Na Kubala work with that.
Oga sorry, good evening sir.
My boy. Sugarcane, where your coach there safe? I don't define am since.
My name no be Sugarcane.
I go slap you. I resemble your mate. You know how many years I take sneer you and your coach? You know how many wars I don't fight survive? Make I tell you now. Now only Oga Bollis fit sit down talk to me 1v1 for the whole England. Where your coach there, Joe? You there for Northgate or be for Southgate?
I no.
I stand for Eastgate sir. Him been dey go Westgate.
Sugarcane, how many gates them get for this stadium safe?
Sorry, no dey disturb my boy, Joe.
Na me say make him dey play for Tottenham and England. Teams where they allergic to trophy.
Hurricane, goalless, Joe. No mind this man. I go bring fresh Nkwobi for you. Make your job calm down. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you like, allow Tottenham make them bribe you. No go better club where sabi carry trophy.
Leave my boy, Joe.
Shy, Lampard, how market na?
Sorry, I beg. I not dey ready for this nonsense.
It's coming home. It's coming home. You tell the world that is coming home. Italy, wash England.
I swear to God, if I dey here, I go keep person.
Lampard, how far na? Where that's una nonsense coach?
Why they ask me? I be in bodyguard.
Where you don't check?
I don't check all the gates. Even the southern gates where they always dey.
It be like say my guy don't long no. Why you define am safe?
The guy na mumu. Because of him mumuness, these guys don't chop my money now.
Nah, you be Momo. Shebi I tell you say na Italy go win. You and Kubala, I wonder who Momo pass safe.
See, sorry. Respect yourself, I go brush you now as my blood dey hot.
Oh, so na blush you wan go blush that get man?
Nah. The guy no sabi wetin they do. How you go sub Rashford and Sancho? Put inside game by that time. Come carry Saka, give last PK. Arsenal pikin whenever even suck him mama breast finish. I wonder how you take get that job safe. Lampard, where una carry that guy from? He suppose go dey do gate man work.
I swear, me I don't come out for here, Joe. I no get una time. Kubala, go buy Nkwobi for me now. Come meet me for Ken house.
Okay sir.
Where you dey go? I never finish with you.
Come out for here, Joe. Thunder fire you.
Why person go score one goal? Start to the pack boss.
Not be waiting you there though. Momo man. Yeah. My chest oh.
Shebi I tell you say make you no provoke me. Thunder go fire you today.
Sorry na. I don't know say Moleho, this thing not good though. No tell me before fight start.
Nothing like that. Na jungle justice guerrilla warfare we dey.
I don't die! I don't die!